listen up, what I've got for you today is something special. Yeah, I've organized somebody, maybe somebody similar to the stick, to come and do something for us, because I want to show you guys and I want to let you guys hear something amazing. Anyway, hold on, it's coming. So this is what we talked about. This is the Yamaha R1M. So it's a little bit different to the normal R1. This is more a race spec, a track inspired, MotoGP inspired R1. That's where this came from. And we got a beautiful one, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Scprojects exhaust pipe. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It's got all the new gadgets. Launch control, traction control. It's really something different. And I'm gonna spoil you guys and ask Mr. Similar to Stick Man to just take it away for us. Cool. Woo! Listen to that beauty. Take it away. And that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come and have a look at it. It's really a special bike. Bye.